This bearish breaker setup on the 15-minute didn't quite turn out as good as it seemed to be, but still, let me break it down what happened in the London session, all right? So first of all, we made a new all-time high in this London session, and then on the 15-minute chart, which is this one, we started to edge sharply to the downside and went through the daily midnight open, and beautiful displacement here. Also, the 15-minute broke structure. Let me show you right here. So I can put it right there. Structure shift at that point. So that is a bearish market structure shift, which actually I would say not a perfect unicorn setup, but turned out very good. Swept all-time highs from yesterday. Displacement lower with a fair value gap here. Also shifted structure here and also below there and here too. So like multiple times shifted structure, went up there into the 15-minute gap. So if we go down to the 5-minute, you can still see that on the 5-minute gap we had another one here. So that was pretty much a good zone to enter to a short, which I did. But you know, this is why partial profits need to be taken, and this was the actual trade here that I took. So entered here on the retracement at the 5-minute gap, went down, took partials, eventually took me out, the rest at break even. So gotta be careful and gotta watch out for these, but eventually the bearish breaker setup decided to not work this time, not fully working this time. Anyway, it was a good trade. This was the only trade in this London session. Wasn't that bad, but hopefully, I mean, the CPI and the FOMC news events are going to turn the market a little bit up. So was an interesting setup. I thought I'm going to share this with you guys, and I did like it. At least it took partials, right? Thank you so much. See you on the next one.